Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to run WikiToLearn locally on OSX. So this should be the result. As you can see, this is a link. This is not the WikiToLearn page like here. This is a link to your local WikiToLearn environment, to a WikiToLearn website. So this should be the result. So in general, we will follow this guide on WikiToLearn locally. And I will explain and change a few steps and show them on OSX. So first of all, you want to install Vagrant and Docker. So you just click here and here and install them and just follow the steps. Nothing special there. I already installed them, so I won't install them again. Just let them load. Yeah, here in Mac OS X, and you follow the steps. And Vagrant, it's the same. You just download them, install them here in Mac OS X. So when you've done that, you need to download this folder from WikiToLearn, the Vagrant folder, and from JIT, and you do this from like this command. First of all, let's say you go to the directory you want to have it. Let's say I will put it in a document. Now make a new folder, WikiToLearn. Now copy this path. I will wait a minute. So I will locate to it with CD. And as you can see, the folder is empty right now, and then you clone it with this command. You do this, and this should be done relative quickly, but I won't do it again because I've already done it in another folder. And then you go into it, cd Vagrant, and do Vagrant up. Let me show you my folder where I did it. Google code in, right here. This is the same like here. And then you do Vagrant up. Right, let's just follow the steps. You go into this folder and you do Vagrant up. Usually you might have to do Vagrant init, but this is already done in this folder because Vagrant init creates this Vagrant file. Then you do Vagrant SSH. When this is done, then you are in a virtual machine, in a Linux machine usually. And another step that you have to follow, so wait, let's just check. OS, I've downloaded WikiToLearn, and you need to configure your proxy server, so this all has to work, so this all can work. And in OS X, you do this by clicking on system properties, right there. I have it on German, but the icon is the same. And you go to network, click on whatever you're using on VLAN or Ethernet, and go to further options, go to proxies, go to automatic proxy configuration, and copy this link. This is a proxy configuration file, a PEG file, and paste it right there. You have already done it. Click on OK to use the settings, and then you've configured your proxy settings. So when you've done that, you want to download the whole WikiToLearn code, so the whole WikiToLearn, the whole website. and again from GitHub. So you do this in this virtual machine. Then you just do this command, git clone recursive, and then the whole WikiToLearn website by git. You paste it, press enter, and this, yeah, it took like half an hour at me, and then you have WikiToLearn on your computer. But I won't do this again. Yeah, and the recursive command is pretty important. Then you locate into it, cd WikiToLearn, and let's check what's in it. Those are all the files and directories. Then you do git check out develop, like it's listed there. Just follow those steps. This might take like a minute or two. Yes, when you've done that, you just follow the next command, git sub module init, then git sub module update. But I won't do this again because this takes a few minutes. But you need necessarily to do this. Then we will skip this step. It's not necessary. And after that, we have installed Docker before, right there. And we will use this right now. So you go to your bash, to your Vagrant bash, and you do sudo group add docker. This adds, it creates the group if it is missing. At me it says that it already exists because I already did this command. And then you do sudo gives you admin permissions, usermod ag docker, and then instead of username you put Vagrant. Oh yeah, wait a minute, I forgot it. Vagrant, it's pretty important. So when everything worked fine, you do docker ps, and it should show something like that, or with less text, something like this: names, status, ports, command created, such things. If it's not the case, you just do this command, sudo service docker start. This starts it. And so we are almost done. Now when you're in this local environment, you are in this WikiToLearn folder, and as you can see, there is this dockers folder. You gotta go into it, dockers, cd dockers, and then you want to run this main script, definstance.sh, and this might take like an hour or something like that, or half an hour, pretty long, because it downloads they're called images, like files in around 5 to 6 gigabyte. And you run this command by doing point / and then the script dev instance.sh. But I've already done it. And when this worked, you are actually done. And then you go to this link, and it should show the WikiToLearn site, and you have it locally. And when you restart your computer, you don't have to set up everything again. You just go to the commands are listed here. Go to your Vagrant folder again, which you have on your computer. Run the virtual machine again with Vagrant up and Vagrant SSH. And then you go to WikiToLearn dockers and run dev instance existing data. Yes. And then you've set it up again and can just go to this to your local WikiToLearn site. And all those files are located at this address. So at the FTP server, at this server and at the port 2121. For example, our PEG file with which we configured our proxy settings is at the port 8080. Yes, and this is how you run WikiToLearn locally on OSX. Thanks for watching.